Hey everyone, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. Have you ever seen that dreaded check engine light pop up on your dashboard and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? You know something's wrong, but what? Is it a minor issue, or is your car about to fall apart? Well, today, we're demystifying the magic behind how we figure that out. We're rediving deep into the world of OBD2 scanners and how they talk to your car to pinpoint exactly what's going on under the hood. So, what exactly is OBD2? It stands for Onboard Diagnostics Version 2. Think of it as your car's built-in self-diagnostic system. Since 1996, it's been a mandatory feature in all cars sold in the United States, and many other countries followed suit. Before this, every car manufacturer had its own unique system, which made things a real headache for mechanics. OBD2 standardized everything, creating a universal language that any compatible scanner can understand. This system is constantly monitoring your car's performance. It keeps an eye on hundreds of parameters, from engine speed and temperature to oxygen sensor readings and fuel trim. Your car's brain, the engine control unit or ECU, is the mastermind behind all this. It receives data from sensors placed all over your engine and vehicle. If any of these readings go outside the normal, pre-programmed range, the ECU flags it as a problem. This is where the check engine light comes into play. When the ECU detects a fault, it does two things. First, it triggers that little warning light on your dash to let you know something needs attention. Second, and more importantly for us, it stores a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, in its memory. This code is like a specific error message. For example, a code like P0420 might point to an issue with your catalytic converter, while AP0301 could signal a misfire in cylinder 1. So how do we get these codes out of the car's brain? That's the job of the OBD2 scanner. Every car has an OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It's a 16-pin connector that acts as a direct line to the ECU when you plug in a scanner. You're essentially plugging a computer directly into your car's computer. Once connected, the scanner sends a request to the ECU asking for any stored trouble codes. The ECU then sends the codes back to the scanner, which displays them on its screen. But a good scanner does more than just read codes. It can also show you live data streams. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to see what the car's sensors are reporting in real time. You can watch the engine temperature rise, see how the oxygen sensors are behaving, or check your fuel pressure as you drive. This live data is crucial for diagnosing intermittent problems that don't always trigger a code. Furthermore, after you've identified and fixed the problem, you use the scanner to clear the trouble codes from the ECU's memory. This turns off the check engine light and resets the system. The car will then continue to monitor itself, and if the fix was successful, the light will stay off. If the problem persists, the ECU will detect it again and store a new code. So, in a nutshell, the OBD2 system is your car's way of telling you what hurts. The check engine light is the symptom, the trouble code is the diagnosis, and the scanner is the tool we use to understand it all. It's an amazing system that has revolutionized car repair, making it faster, more accurate, and more accessible for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. That's all for today's deep dive. Hopefully, this clears up some of the mystery behind that little port under your dash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to CodeMechanic for more automotive tech explainers. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.